My name is Chad Riches. I'm the president of Beacon Commercial Door and Lock. In every industry, there are defining moments, events that establish a new direction. We would like to introduce you to one of those moments in the door and hardware industry. It's called pre-installation, and it's changing how doors and hardware are scheduled, staged, and installed. This innovative new way of installing these products on a construction site drastically reduces the coordination, the storage, garbage, and damage that are often associated with these products on an active site. All of this while reducing cost and even more importantly, reducing time on site by up to 75%. Pre-installation is the process of installing the hardware on finished doors in our warehouse by our factory-certified technicians. Then we stack, wrap, and store the doors in our clean, climate-controlled storage facility until the job's ready. So when our product arrives on site, it comes off the truck and into a finished frame. This process allows us to complete a job of 200 plus openings in days instead of weeks. We are excited to be the leaders of what we believe is a defining moment in the commercial construction process. So the project that you're watching is the first ever of its kind. It's a project being pre-installed in Utah, then trucked, trained, and shipped across the Pacific Ocean 3,000 miles away. This project is located on the island of Hawaii. Pre-installation ensures the highest quality of installation with no more shortages, no more garbage, no more hardware rooms on site to store doors and hardware in for weeks or months until they're hung. It all happens in our warehouse before it ever shows up on site. We at Beacon Commercial Door and Lock are excited to offer our customers the future of door and hardware installation.